Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section, and here you can find eye comfort. You can switch this feature here. You can also change its intensity, and you can also add a schedule to it. You can turn out at a custom time, and you can just set it from sunset to sunrise. And you can also switch this feature here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.